Based in Woking, Piping Hot Plumbing Ltd have had 18 years experience carrying out a complete range of plumbing services throughout the Surrey area. Whether you're looking for a complete bathroom installation or just have a leaky radiator, our professional team of qualified central heating engineers are here to offer expert advice and service, whatever the job in hand. We carry out all aspects of gasworks, showers, boilers and electrics, as well as tiling and decorating. So for the highest standards of workmanship, call Piping Hot Plumbing Ltd today.